Introducing Ready-to-Roast Brussels sprouts, part of the Roastables meal kit line from Ocean Mist. This fresh meal concept is the solution for the home chef who is time-starved and flavor-deprived. With Ocean Mist Roastables, you don't have to compromise. Just combine halved Brussels sprouts and all-natural seasonings with your favorite neutral cooking oil and toss. Transfer to a baking sheet and roast for 15 minutes until tender, golden, and a bit crisp. Serve by sprinkling with the crispy garnish. Roastables are ready to cook, featuring farm-fresh, washed and trimmed Brussels sprouts. Available in 3 flavors: sun-dried tomato, sweet sesame, and lemon Caesar. Roastables is everything you need for a delicious, home-prepared meal in minutes, where simplicity meets sophistication. That's Ocean Mist Roastables Brussels sprouts.